Hello guys, welcome to this new episode today, number 45. As usual in the last weeks, today, Tuesday, we are gonna evaluate 2 submissions from our participant in the AI tournament. So let's get started. Okay guys, so yes, as said during the preview, today we're gonna evaluate 2 submissions from 2 participants. One is, you already know him, he's already on the leaderboard, is Alessio, and the other one is his battle name is Shiro, and today we're gonna evaluate his submission for the very first time. Well, before diving into that, let me just briefly recap what we did last week. First of all, on Tuesday, we evaluated a new submission, and that is basically what we do on Tuesdays. And that was again something submitted for the very first time from a new entrant that was able to reach the very top of the leaderboard with that submission. And that was the submission of T5Rs, so TRRRR, and he is now at the top of the leaderboard. While on Thursday, last week we started to take a look at our AI that we have been training on a new game. So on Tekken Tag Tournament, that evaluation was the very first one, and after the first batch of training, it reached 7.5 million training steps, and it was already showing improvements if compared with respect to the random agent in that game that is quite tricky. The random agent was averaging something like minus 2.5, minus 2.4, more or less. And the first evaluation we performed in 5 episodes, it was in 7 episodes, that was, the average was minus 1.6, I think. So, showing already improvements. And now today, after submission, we won't have time to take a new look at it. We were able to, train it for one more batch, and now it reached 15.5 million training steps on Tekken. And I doubt that we will be able to watch it also on Thursday. So it will be probably next week that we will take a new look at this new agent, new trained agent. Because on Thursday, and this is something important I would like to share with you, on Thursday we are gonna take a look at a very nice topic in machine learning and deep learning, and it is style transfer. So neural style transfer. That is a very cool topic, and we will have, an overview of these methods that are used, leveraging deep learning to apply style transfer. That is basically, applying painting style, for example, on an image, and so basically, as if that, the resulting image is like a painted version of the starting image with the style obtained from a famous painting. And so we are gonna take a look at it, but then it is gonna be fun. We will take a look at this type of image elaboration performed in real time on our video games. So basically we will take a look. Hello Alessio, welcome. So we will take a look at how these games will appear when style is applied on them. Particular style, like famous painting ones. And so it is gonna be really interesting because the overview will give us the chance to familiarize with these techniques, and then it's gonna be fun because we're gonna be watching games like Street Fighter or Tekken with these styles applied on, and so I'm really looking forward to it in just 2 days. So on Thursday on this Twitch channel, I will be presenting it together with Alessio, and so I'm looking forward to it. I save the date for Thursday, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I believe that everything else is now it has been already said. You are already familiar with how our evaluation runs are performed. We have 5 episodes runs, and we're gonna start with Alessio's submission. This time is gonna be using Kazumi. The action space is gonna be the same, so discrete action space, 16 actions in total. This is gonna be constant. Standard configuration, as you already are aware. You find all details about how to set up the environment on our GitHub repository. So the DIAMBRA environment GitHub repository you can access through the website. Everything else should be already there, and so I suggest we just start with evaluations for first Alessio's submission, and 5 episodes. Let's see how it goes. The current performance of his best submission is 1.04, so let's see if he will be able to improve this score in these 5 runs. So the average of these 5 runs, everything is already there, so I believe we can just get started with his own evaluation. Okay, let's see. Alessio, I'm really curious to see how Kazumi will perform on this run. Let me just take a look at sound levels, because okay, this should be fine. As usual, we are booting everything up. The AI tournament graphics is appearing right now, and that is one thing. And then the game also. So let me just enlarge the image here, and we are almost ready. So as usual, we will be watching on the left score as well as actions performed by the agent. So let's keep an eye on Kazumi and let's see how it goes. Okay, so the network was loading at the very first step, but then here it goes. Oh, it seems pretty effective. Kazumi is a very good character, as you know. I've been using it. I've been training my own agent on it for a lot of time. So first round landed with a score of 1.5, not bad at all. Remember that for a single round the maximum reward you can obtain is 2. So for 2 perfects you would obtain 4 total cumulative reward. As you see here, Kazumi was able to obtain a perfect at the second round, and so it should have a total of 3.5 total cumulative reward at the very beginning of the next stage. Okay, so stage number 2, as you can see, 3.5. Very starting way, you know, very good technique to start the rounds by Kazumi. Effective kicks. So let's see, because it has also very good combos between, you know, punches and kicks. So but it's looking good, apart from this few hits that have been suffered. But you know, total cumulative reward so far is above 4.1, and so not bad at all. But keep in mind that losing 2 rounds with a perfect means -4 total cumulative reward. Nevertheless, you see here, so far no hits suffered. Okay, this is the first one, but Kazumi is already okay. So 2 stages gone with a total cumulative reward so far of 5.97. It is gonna be updated at the very beginning of the next stage, because there is always this shift from the very last step of the first, and then here you see 6.67 right now and counting. Well, keep an eye on Yan Li. It's a very complex character to face. You know, we are at stage 3, so it's not as hard as when you face him at later stages. But still, oh yeah, that was close. But still, you see, you know, you don't have to reach the very final stage to have a good reward. So far, the score is 6.19, not bad at all. Okay, 5.86 because it has been updated the next step. But still, you know, we are good. Almost 7. You see, Kazumi is also able to interrupt combos. You see here, okay, very good. You know, here I know that. Okay, very good counter move by Kazumi, able to land around against Yan Li. So stage 3, 1-1, a very good way to start this combo by Yan Li is so hard. So let's say he's happy with the performance. He's saying that is more than expected, but you know, oh no, too bad. Anyway, that was not bad at all. That run was not bad at all. 6.39, so a very good performance. You know, this is way above 3 times the highest score in the leaderboard so far. So, you know, let's see how it goes. The very first episode was not bad at all. New one, starting from scratch here. So this very, you know, starting move by Kazumi, this one is pretty effective. It seems also pretty safe to execute at the very beginning of the round, and so, you know, it seems a very good performance. This round kick is also something pretty effective. First round landed. Let's see, Zack is always not too complex, especially in the very first stages. Yan Li is very on a different level in general. He also Bayman, when faced at stage 4, 5 or 6. Ayanna is very complex, and also Tina is not joke. So, okay, landed. The very first stage has been passed. Moving to the second one. The score is looking not bad for now. It's like above, more or less is 2. Yes, it's 2. Okay, Yan Li at the second stage. This could be a good news, because if we face him here and we are able to, oh, too bad, that one. Yeah. Oh, nice counter move there by Kazumi. So, you know, being able to beat Yan Li here could be a very good advantage for the remaining of the run. So let's see. A very good counter move there by Kazumi. Very good thing learned by the agent, it seems. You know, that final punch in that combo is very complex. Has these double, you know, elbow moves. They are pretty hard, powerful moves that cause a lot of damage. Let's see. Oh, now Kazumi has to land just a few more hit. A final one. Yes. So passing Yan Li, that is pretty, you know, usually a roadblock. with a score that is above 3, and it should be updated soon, like it's 3.25. You know, keep an eye on Genfu, because he, as you can see, has a lot of counter moves. It's a very complex character because of that. A lot of counter moves. Yeah, it's strong in this specific aspect. So attacks needs to be, you know, programmed very carefully, because counter moves are usually very dangerous. They can lead to, you know, continuous catches or very powerful combos. So very nice play here by Kazumi, able to land that round that was, you know, looking bad at that point. Now it's doing well here. More or less they are even for now. Now Kazumi is slightly in advantage, even again an advantage Kazumi. Let's see. Oh, this is close. Let's see. You have, oh, too bad. That was almost there. Let's see. This is stage 3, 1-1 in terms of rounds. Let's see how it will go. This round number 3, the final one. You see here counter moves always by this guy. It's important to, you know, avoid losing time of play. Okay, now, that was the problem with this guy. Nice, landed also stage 3, moving to stage 4. Not bad at all. Let's see, Alessio. So you're doing pretty good in this evaluation so far. Now, of course, let's keep in mind that the score can go down easily. So it's important to, you know, be able to at least, even if you're about to lose the stage, also it's important to keep hitting the opponent, because it's you're limiting your losses. So we'll see here now. Oh, nice. Stage 4. First round landed. Total cumulative reward so far, it's above 4.55. Let's see, it should be about like 4.7, something like, okay, 4.6. Okay, I believe that you're using the same network, Alessio, so it's a recurrent network with yes, recurrent units. And it seems that, you know, it learned very interesting stuff with Kazumi, like waiting for the opponent to stand up in order to kick him and to hit him. Ooh, so close. No, that was bad. Oh, come on. Anyway, in this case, you see, you are limiting your damage, because you were almost able to draw all the you know, damage to your opponent, and so no, that was limiting your losses in some sense, almost 0. Oh, this is looking bad. Oh, I believe this is it. Yeah, sorry about that. Let's see the total cumulative reward, about the, you know, 3.35. So as you can see, total cumulative reward can go down pretty easily and quickly, but, you know, not a not a totally bad round, that one. 3.35 is still a good total cumulative reward. So let's see how it goes now. Third episode running. Very good combos by Kazumi. Now the problem with Hayabusa is mainly this. Oh, come on. Oh, too bad. Now that specific move is a very annoying one, and also when Hayabusa starts with combos, it's really hard to stop. Let's see, usually at the very first stage, when the opponent performs so well at the very first round, then usually it should be not as strong as in the very first round. But let's see, because this is close. Oh, come on, Kazumi, a final hit, yes. Okay, round landed, 1-1. I'm moving to the final round for stage 1. Okay, so your AI is not performing bad at all, Alessio. Now, with respect to the, you know, it's improving the total, the average performance with respect to the previous submission you had. Now, this was a perfect, so a +2 for the total cumulative reward. Moving to stage 2. Let's see who is gonna be there. Okay, Bass, so a big guy here. Usually is not so complex. in these first stages. But again, this is another one that has continuous catches that are complex to exit from. You see here, now this is a lot of damage. Okay, now, oh well, you're almost there. Nice. Okay, able to land that round. It was, you know, looking bad at that point, but you managed to make it go the right way. Okay, so 1-0 for Kazumi. Oh, that was stopped. The very first move was stopped. Oh, come on. Oh, nice. Oh, ooh, this is close. This is close. Now, sometimes, okay, this is not totally bad that you're losing this one, you know, because your reward would have been very low. So it could be good if you're able to land this new round now. That could be a good thing, you know. Losing that one could be a good thing. Also could be something that one should implement, you know, to lose that round when you're so down in health, because also winning it wouldn't mean gathering a lot of rewards. So as you can see here, losing that round allow you to then you know, win a lot in the next one. So your reward increased a lot in the final round with respect to the second one. So this could be good. Sometimes it turns out to be good to lose some rounds. Now you see here Kazumi how he's waiting for the opponent. It's you know, very interesting behavior, because it's key sometimes to wait for the right moment in which to perform. Oh, nice here, exiting from the catch. This is very something that is very important to learn, and it seems that sometimes your AI is doing that, and it's very important, you know, pressing all three buttons, attack buttons together in order to stop catches performed by the opponent. Okay, so stage 3, 1-0. You see, let's see if here. No, okay. In this occasion, we were not able to you know, stop the moves by the opponent. Okay, this one was a bad loss. So the total score so far is about 1.49. Moving to the final round, stage 3. Okay, a good start this time. Again, these counter moves by Lei Fang, they're so complex to face. Yeah, you see here again counter moves continuously. Ooh, nice counter move here, and that's it again. So also Lei Fang as Zhenfu, yeah, they do have a lot of counter moves. So third episode done with a total cumulative reward of 1.06. Moving to episode number 4 for your submission, Alessio. Let's see how it goes. Okay, Yan Li at the very first stage. This could be good or totally bad. Let's see how it goes. Okay, looking good so far. Waiting for the opponent to stand up. Okay, looking good so far. Okay, now it's important to, you know, avoid very powerful moves. Okay, nicely done. The first round landed, you know, Kazumi obtained a perfect, so he's +2 in total cumulative rewards, as you will see at the very beginning of the next, yes, the round. You see here, so far no damage suffered so far. Okay, this is the first hit, but so far Kazumi is doing good, you know. Okay, counter move here and landed. So yeah, a good total cumulative reward for stage 1. This is in line with the very first run we had, with a very good total cumulative reward. Okay, stage 2 with Zhenfu. Okay, again here, these counter moves, they're really a problem. You see. Oh, that was close. Too bad. I know you're tense, Alessio. Oh, come on, Genfu. It's really tough when you know it is able to take your countermeasures for your attacks. Oh, yeah, it's always a problem. Let me see. The total cumulative reward for this one is 2.09. That is not so bad in absolute terms. And this is the final run. Let's see how it goes. Okay, Bass on the very first stage. Ooh. Okay, not bad so far. Yeah, sometimes it seems that the character is waiting too long for, you know, to try to hit the opponent. This one was a very unlucky run, I think. It's just, you know, a matter of timing sometimes. When your opponent starts hitting you, it's very hard to stop their combos and their, you know, you see chains of attacks. And so it's important to find a good way to stop them. Like in this case, it's hard. Oh, too bad. Losing on the very first stage against Bass with a minus 1.06. Let's see. Let's wait for the total cumulative reward for these 5 rounds. Too bad. That was unlucky, I think. You know, sometimes it may happen. So now this is gonna end. Okay, so 2.37 the average, Alessio. So never mind this very last episode, you were able to perform basically every time way better than your previous submission, and so you're jumping at the top of the leaderboard with 2.37. So far you are the very first of our contenders, and so very good job. Congratulations. So let's now move to the next submission, the one by Shiro. Now, Alessio, we're already familiar with you. We are gonna talk with you on this Thursday, and of course this is Alessio. You already know him, and now in the next run, I'm going to present you a new contenders that today was not able to be here with us. Let me change the virtual environment. Okay, now Shiro, let's meet together the new contender. Yeah, so hopefully we are gonna have him live commenting his own agent in the next episodes. Let's see. So everything should be ready. Oh yeah, I do have to change the character because he trained an algorithm using Yan Li. So the complex one to face, he decided to train something on it. Discrete action space again, and so 16 actions. Let's see how it goes. Again, 5 runs to be averaged, and let's see how it goes for this run. So it's the very first time we are testing these submissions, and I'm really curious to see how it goes. We are loading everything up. Let's see if everything goes as expected. As you know, bugs or minor problems are always happening when you perform experimental things like this. So let me just open up everything. Let's enlarge the window here. Okay, so let's see how it goes with Yan Li. Again, 5 rounds. Let's see. So Kenshiro, it's all up to you now. Loading the model up. It should be, yes. Okay, so Yan Li starting against Kazumi. Okay, this is a very interesting match. Oh, you see the power move by Kazumi, like disappearing from a place and reappearing behind the opponent, but still Kenshiro was able to land this round easily. Not bad reward for starting. Okay, we're already at 2. Let's see how Yan Li will perform. It seems that it is using mainly kicks. If I am, you know, if this is not just coincidence, but it seems that he's using mainly kicks. So not bad first stage, with the total cumulative reward that should be around 3, I think. Yeah, 2.95. Okay, sometimes he's using punches, but okay, let's see, because Bayman is a complex character, being able to perform continuous catches, especially when you are down, laying down on the ground, it is able to capture you in catches. But you know, Yan Li seems to be performing very well. Total cumulative reward of 3.88 so far. Yeah, 4.12 now. Okay, waiting for the character to approach. Good combos, almost a perfect. Actually, this was a perfect. So a total cumulative reward of 6.04 to be updated. As you know, the very last step needs to update the total cumulative reward. So okay, moving to stage 3 against Genfu. So far it's 6.797 now and counting. Let's see how it goes. Almost a perfect already. Okay, counter move here, but okay, exited. Nicely done here. You see, Yan Li was able to interrupt the catch with a proper combination at the right time, and so exiting that catch was a good move to land the round. Now 8.58, very high reward so far, and we are still at stage 3. Okay, remember that it's pretty easy to, you know, to go down in rewards, but it's looking very good so far. 8, you know, more than 8.2. This is gonna be updated soon. It should be around 8.4. I believe. Moving to stage 4. I believe we never lost a round so far. So very good Kenshiro, very good trained agent so far, it seems so. And we are already at 9 in terms of total cumulative reward. Let's see how it goes. 9.38. Stage 4 looking good too. Okay, first round landed. Oh, are we going to see the game completion in live? This is gonna be fun. So let's see. Counter move here. It seems pretty complete. You know, we have seen a lot of different things like combos, kicks, punches, counter moves, and also being able to exit from continuous catches. So very good timing, very good choice of actions. And look at the reward. It's 11.23. Never lost a round so far. So yeah, good run. Good round. This is just the first one, you know. Okay, Bass at stage 5. So we have to keep an eye on this big guy because it sometimes can be hard to beat. But Yan Li is also okay. Ooh, again, exited that catch. This is, it shouldn't be a coincidence. So it seems that it has been learned. This, you know, this specific behavior has been learned, and this is good. This is great stuff. Okay, 11.61 so far. Okay, moving to second round. Oh, that was bad. He was charging that specific move. Yan Li already in advantage in round 2. Okay, combo again, interrupt. So now let me say it's pretty evident that Yan Li has learned how to exit that catches. A very good job, Kenshiro. Your reward is 12.68 so far. So okay, not bad at all for the very first run, and also for your very first submission. Stage 6 against Ayanna. This is gonna be hard. Let's see how it goes, because you know Ayanna is, oh, you see, is not easy here against her. You see here Ayanna is strong. It's strong. It has, you know, a lot of moves. It's quick, powerful catches. Ooh. Oh, this is close. Close, so close. Come on. Oh, that was very nicely done. This round has been landed at the very first hit. So, okay, let's see. Stage 6, first round landed. Moving to round 2. Oh, very good and powerful move, this one by Yan Li. Okay, now again. Oh, it's already an advantage. Yan Li also in this round. Almost there. You see here, this is a good move by Ayanna, but 2-0. And this again, no round lost so far. Moving to the semi-final. This, oh god. Are we going to see the game completed by the very first submission and the very first round of the very first submission? Semi-final against Lei Fang. Okay. Counter hold. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. This is now clear and evident that Yan Li has learned how to avoid catches. Okay, so first round is being lost. Total score so far is 12.52. Not bad at all, let me say. Let's see how it goes now. So this is the semi-final. Remember, at the end we have Rydo usually, so it seems that okay, very good start. So far, counter move by oh, we are playing in counter moves here. Okay, about to land the perfect. Yeah, that's it. 14.34. So yeah, Kenshiro, you waited to submit this agent. I know. I started to understand why. You wanted the surprise effect, I think, and this is kind of clear. Oh, exiting the catch again. Very well played, this aspect by Yan Li and by your agent. So almost there. Now this is close. Let's see. The first one able to land a hit. Oh, landing to the final stage. Come on. The very first round and we are at the final stage. Are we gonna complete the game? Come on. Let's see. Final stage against Rydo. It is usually, in my experience, the final stage is easier than the semi-final. So if this is the case, you should be able to complete the game easily. Oh, this is the first time I see this move here by Rydo. It's pretty powerful. Okay, we are close. Oh, landed. We are one round away to complete the game. Kenshiro, come on. So fun. Okay, let's see. One more round, and it is looking very good so far. Oh, are you good? No, not a perfect, but pretty close. Okay. Oh, let me say that this is so fun. So this first run was a 16.4 total cumulative reward, completing the game. Guys, what a powerful performance by this new entrant here. Kenshiro, my congratulations for your first round. Let's see how it goes. If this is just coincidence of if your agent is pretty powerful already. This is the new episode, so this one took like about 10 minutes. So okay, let's see if every single round will be this long. Landed the first round and moving to the next. Oh god. Very good. Let me say very good job, Kenshiro. This is the demonstration that these environments can be learned and pretty in a very good and competitive way. You're already landed the very first stage, passing to the second, and this is more than 3 as total cumulative reward. So okay, so hello Archimau, as I'm happy to have you here today with us too. So Lorder, Kenshiro is Lorder in both our Discord server as well as in Twitch chat, and so it's a pity that he's not with us today. He couldn't make it, but maybe we are gonna have him next time with a new agent, maybe, who knows. And yeah. So far a very powerful agent. You see here again is 6.26. Total cumulative reward is 7.2. Oh, this is a perfect again. So yeah, it seems that at this difficulty, at difficulty 3, your agent seems to be pretty powerful, and I'm really happy to see, you know, we are more or less at halfway in our tournament, and you seem already, you know, to have something really powerful. So you have also a lot of time to improve. Come on, another perfect? Are you kidding me? Now, how much are you gonna, you know, reach in terms of reward for this run? We're already. I totally agree with you, Alessio. It's this, of course, you know, Yan Li is a pretty powerful one. I totally agree with you, but I believe it's as powerful as Ayanna or Kazumi in some sense. So it seems that the amount of training Ken, Shiro or Lorder reached is very, very high, and so it's a very good agent, already 10.11, and we are just, I believe that was stage 4. Yeah, no, that was stage 3. Come on, really? So this is stage 4. We are not even at half of our run, and we're already at 10.43. So we could definitely reach 20, for example, in this run. Yeah, now this is more than 11.2. Oh, very, very good. Come on, this is incredible. I should basically post the entire episode today, because this entire set of runs is gonna be so interesting to watch. The counter move, especially the ability, you know, capability to exit those continued catches, is very, very nicely done, and it seems to be a clear indication that the agent was able to learn that is the best option he has in that specific situation. So I'm also, you know, I know he trained the agent using stable baselines, but I would really love to have him on our live, because okay, now here Yan Li wasn't able to exit that catch. Here he's suffering a lot of, okay, this is the first round he's losing. Yeah. So I'm really curious to know the architecture of the network Lorder used, because as you know, we provided together with the repository a network that was very good, but you know, I see here very, very good performances and actions. So I'm really curious. Or maybe we'll ask him next time. So let's see. Okay, so this run ended at stage 5 with a total cumulative reward of 10.42, not bad at all again. So not completing the game every time, and this is more or less normal, let me say. Okay, let's see now how it goes. Third run. So this one lasted more or less 5 minutes. So we're on track for our standard duration of the episode, more or less. I was worried, you know, this episode would last like 2 hours, but we are more or less on track. Okay, again, first stage against Kazumi. So far looking for a perfect, that's it. So 2 at the very first round. Moving to the second. Consistent plays here, let me say. Consistent plays. Okay, very, very well done. Very well done. Now, oh, nice counter move here by Kazumi. Now, it seems that Deeper L, in this case, it's, you know, doing the trick for this game. I'm really curious to know what's the training amount for this. So, number of training steps for this agent. I hope next time we will have Lorder together with us to have a chat about it, maybe looking at a new updated version of the game. So far, so it seems that he's gonna reach the top of the leaderboard, and with Alessio at the second place and T5Rs at third place. Remember that the best 5 agents will reach the, you know, land to the final event and fight there for our money prize. And so yeah, I'm, you know, looking for more participants to submit their agents. I know for sure that there are some of them almost ready to submit agents, and you know, take part in the tournament. As you know, this is just the very first step for us, and soon you're gonna hear about very great news from our side, giving you the chance to have an entire, let me say, Luna Park in terms of reinforcement learning, and we are really looking forward to provide you with that. Okay, stage 3, total cumulative reward of 7.1, not bad at all again. Landed the first round, moving to the second. Yan Li is performing very well. Now a couple of counter moves here by Zack, but still you see the reward is 7.03. Very nicely done. Oh, that's a KO. That was not expected. Okay. So moving to the final round, stage 3. So far the total cumulative reward is 7.07, now 7.61, counting. Okay, let's see. Oh, counter move, a very bad counter move here. Nicely done. Again, moving to stage 4 with a total cumulative reward of 8.04, slightly above it, I think. Let's see. Okay, Hayabusa at stage 4. Okay, this is looking dangerous now. Low reward for Yan Li. Okay, now it's almost there. Ooh, nicely done. First round obtained, and a reward of about 8.3, I think, 8.25, something like that. Okay, 35. Now, okay, round 2, a counter move here and lost it. Okay, so 1-1, a stage 4 against Hayabusa now. Final round coming. Nice counter move here. Oh, this is close. This is so close. And finally... Oh, super close, this one. Moving to stage 5. Very small amount of reward collected for this one, because, you see, we were about to lose the round. So, not a great advantage. Stage 5. Gen Fu. Now, I believe this was the one that beated us in the last run we had. Okay, nicely done. Okay, 1-0, and in this second round is looking good again. About to reach stage 6, let's see. Still in advantage, even more now. Okay, landed. So, stage 6 coming. Let's see, usually for a given character, the semi-final is always the same, and so we should have the semi-final Lei Fang if we are able to reach it. Now, keep an eye on Bayman, because that continuous catches is key for Bayman. Let's see if capabilities of Yan Li to exit those. We will see that here. Told you, yeah, that's one of the key. Yeah, you see, that's the key problem with Bayman. This kind of continuous catches performed when you are on the ground. It's a very big problem with Bayman, and so yeah. Bad first round. Oh, nice way to start the second. Oh, nice, nice one. Almost, you know, never saw that one. The first time I see that specific move. Okay, looking good. Final hit to land this round for for Yan Li. So stage 6 is 1-1, moving to the final round. A very good total cumulative reward of 10.11. Let's see. Final round here. The key point is oh, nicely done. You see here exiting from that continuous catch again, but you see here, I told you that was a problem. Okay, so this one is 8.37. So we still have 2 episodes to go. But again, you know, very good rewards so far. So the very first run was kind of, you know, amazing, seeing the agent completing the game on the very first demonstration here. So I'm gonna clip it and share it, of course, because it's gonna be very, very, you know, I think it's something that shows you how it's, in some sense, you can get started in these environments easily, and also have a lot of fun, as well as rewarding moments, let me say. So satisfaction. No, let's see. First round landed against Genfua stage 1. Not as easily as previous ones, but still clean round for now. So 2-0, and the second one was a perfect. Above 3, I believe we are above 3 in total cumulative reward for this first stage. This is the 4th round, remember? So yeah, this and another one before having the final results. Oh, nicely done here again by Yan Li. Capability of exiting these catches is key in this game, especially with big guys. When fighting against Bass or Bayman, you do have to exit those catches, otherwise that's a problem. You know, a lot of health can be, you know, of damage can be suffered because of those catches. So it's very important, and it seems that Yan Li had, you know, the opportunity to learn that a lot. Oh, very well done. Now moving to stage 3, I think. Against Tina, that is another complex character to face. Oh, very well done by Yan Li, because again, this usually is a continuous catch move by Tina, performed by Tina, but Yan Li was able to exiting that. Now, nicely done, very nicely done. Okay. So 1-0 again at stage 3 for Yan Li. Oh, nice. Can be a perfect, not anymore. But still, okay. Round 1. Moving to stage 4. Yeah, this run with these 5 episodes with Yan Li, they are performing, you know, a very good agent. We are watching at a very good agent, very well trained. Yeah, you see, that's key again here with Bayman. Exiting these catches is key. Now, unfortunately, then Yan Li was not so reactive to, you know, have countermeasures for those attacks, but still, being able to exit that catch is very important, and it has been nicely done. Counter moves here, that's a problem. Okay. This is critical. Okay, so round 1 is 1-1 at stage 4 against Bayman. Yeah, Bayman and Yanli are usually the very biggest problems in this game when faced at these stages 4, 5 and 6. So they are usually very big problems. Yeah, again, Yanli here was able to interrupt that catch. And again here, and let's see if that was a very winning, almost there. That seems to be a very winning move, but because of this kick, it wasn't. Still a very good run with 6.13. And finally, this is the last run. Let's see how it goes. Okay, nicely started. Okay, first round won by Yanli. Moving to the second. Okay, another perfect here. So it's like more than 3.6, I think. Hayabusa on stage 2. Oh, a super move there. Round 1 won by Yanli. Remember, guys, this is the 5th episode. Then at the very end of this one, we will have the average performance of what appears to be the next leader of our tournament. We'll see what will be the final score. It's gonna be high. Okay, moving to stage 3 now. Let's see against whom. Kazumi at the next stage. Okay, stage 3 against Kazumi. It's not always a simple character to face. Okay, we are losing so far. Almost even. Oh, very nice counter move by Kazumi. Even again, and finally, okay, landed. First round obtained by Yanli. This is stage 3, I think. Yeah, stage 3. Very good reward also in this run. Okay, that was a bad move. Nicely done. Well, Kazumi has a lot of very cool moves. It's not easy to make the agent learn them, but they are really cool. Okay, again at the same. Okay, now sometimes it's good to lose a round when you can afford it, if your opponent is very low in health, because it means you want a new chance to beat him with a greater advantage, so that your reward will be higher. So this can be sometimes a good option, if of course you are able then to win the next round. So let's see if this is the case for Yanli. Nice counter move here. So that's the case in this run. So losing that round and winning this one was a better option than winning that one directly at the very end. Okay, facing Genfu on stage 4. This one has a lot of counter moves, you see here. So this is something that an agent should be warned about. Counter moves again. You see. yeah, I told you, there are key elements of each opponent, and for Genfu, the things that you have to look out for is counter moves. So counter moves are always, a problem. When you miss an attack, you are gonna suffer a very bad beat. In this case, you see a lot of counter moves. Again, the greatest damage you suffer is after a counter move. Like in this case, okay, that was clear. Oh, okay, yeah. So I was like able to anticipate the outcome of this stage, because I know the opponent, That was the last run, and let's wait, because we are gonna have soon the average performance of Shiro in this set of 5 runs, and that's it. With the total, the mean cumulative reward is 9.53, a very, very high reward. So congratulations, Shiro or Lorder, for reaching the top of the leaderboard. The very first run was really exciting. Seeing you, completing the game with your agent was amazing. Okay, perfect, guys. So I will update the leaderboard after our live, and it has been great today. It has been really fun. As you can see, I'm really happy, because it's clear that our participants are having fun training this algorithm. They are also creating great stuff. So as I said before starting, at the very beginning of this episode, stay with us, and in particular join us on Thursday, because Thursday we are going to talk about style transfer. And style transfer is a very amazing thing and achievement obtained by deep learning. And so we will have Alessio with us sharing an overview of these methods, what they are and how they work, and then we're gonna have fun applying them in real time on our games. So we're gonna take a look at Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat, Tekken, applying then painting styles. So it's gonna be very fun, and also I believe very interesting. So of course join us on Thursday. Make sure you connect, because it's always a pleasure to answer questions, and you can definitely ask them through the chat here on Twitch. Of course, you can join our Discord server and ask also additional questions there. The community is growing fast, and we are really happy for it. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to remind you that Thursday is gonna be a great live, and yeah, it has been so fun today. I'm really happy and thankful for having received these submissions. So thank you, Alessio, thank you, Lorenzo, Lorder, or Shiro, for your submissions. I really look forward to talking about them with you here on live. And yeah, thank you for being with me, and thank you for watching. For all those that are watching the episode in as on the video on demand, so as a VOD. Now again, as Alessio is mentioning on the chat, we'll wait for you on Thursday. We're gonna have a very interesting discussion there. And so again, thank you everyone for being with us today. I'll see you on Thursday. I wish you good night.